Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some handmade business ideas that you can start in 2024. These are creative and profitable ways to make money from your own skills and passions. Whether you're into crafts, art, design, or DIY, there's something for you in this list. So let's get started. 1. Customized home decor. First up, we have customized home decor. Think personalized wall art, hand-painted furniture, and bespoke decorative items. With the rise of interior design trends, there's a growing demand for unique pieces that reflect individual style. 2. Make personalized jewelry. Jewelry is always in demand, and you can make it even more special by adding your own touch. You can use different materials, such as beads, wire, clay, resin, or metal, and create unique pieces that reflect your style and personality. You can also customize them with names, initials, dates, or symbols that have meaning for your customers. You can sell your jewelry online, through platforms like Etsy or Shopify, or at local markets and fairs. 3. Make candles. Candles are not only beautiful, but also relaxing and soothing. You can make your own candles with natural ingredients, such as soy wax, essential oils, herbs, flowers, or spices. You can also experiment with different shapes, colors, and scents, and create candles for different occasions and moods. You can package your candles in attractive jars or boxes, and add labels or tags with your brand name and logo. You can sell your candles online, through platforms like Amazon or eBay, or at local shops and boutiques. 4. Make soap. Soap is a necessity, but it can also be a luxury. You can make your own soap with natural ingredients, such as olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, honey, oatmeal, or charcoal. You can also add different fragrances, colors, and textures, and create soap for different skin types and needs. You can cut your soap into bars or shapes, and wrap them in paper or fabric. You can sell your soap online, through platforms like Instagram or Pinterest, or at local spas and salons. 5. Eco-friendly products. In this eco-conscious era, sustainable and eco-friendly products are a hit. Consider starting a business that creates reusable cloth bags, natural skincare products, or even upcycled fashion items. It's a win for both your customers and the environment. 6. Personalized gifts. Personalized gifts are heartwarming and in demand, especially for special occasions. Design custom mugs, engraved wooden items, or even hand-painted portraits. These gifts carry sentimental value that store-bought presents simply can't match. 7. DIY craft kits. Not everyone has the time or skill to create from scratch, but they still want to experience the joy of crafting. Develop DIY craft kits with all the necessary materials and step-by-step instructions. It's a great way to tap into the crafting trend without customers feeling overwhelmed. 8. Handmade clothing and accessories. Fashion with a personal touch is gaining momentum. Whether it's hand-knit scarves, embroidered clothing, or hand-painted sneakers, there's a market for one-of-a-kind wearables that allow people to express their individuality. These are just some of the handmade business ideas that you can start in 2024. There are many more possibilities out there, so don't be afraid to explore your creativity and find your niche. The key to success lies in your passion, creativity, and the value you bring to your customers. Start small, focus on quality, and don't be afraid to showcase your unique style. Handmade products are not only fun to make, but also rewarding to sell. You can make money from doing what you love, and share your talent with the world. Wishing you all the best in your handmade business endeavors. Keep creating, keep innovating, and keep spreading those creative vibes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.